guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome. My name is Allie, and in today's video, I'm going to be taking down our Christmas decorations. I always really love this in-between moment when the holidays are over, but it's not quite spring yet. So as I go through today, this is going to be just a very calming, relaxing video, so you can feel free to even just let it play. I will be showing you through text on the screen what items I'm going to be keeping out all winter. And I feel like that's helpful because sometimes we have items that I want to stay out. For example, maybe it's a wintry wreath or something that doesn't necessarily need to get packed up right now because I don't know about you, but I am not ready to jump right into spring. I'm okay with seeing some inspiration here and there, but as for the decor inside my home, I really like to just let winter happen for a bit longer. And it's only early January, so we've got some time to keep our home feeling calm, cozy, and lived in during these cold weather months. I'm so glad you guys are here. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have already put all your Christmas decor away, if you're ready for full-on spring, or if you enjoy a little bit of a reset during these cold months as well. So without further ado, let's get packing. All right, you guys, that about wraps up today's video. I got a ton done today. I still have to tackle the village, but that is for another day, as well as the tree. But mostly everything else is put away in bins and it's feeling very nice and open in here. So that makes me very excited because it's very calming for wintertime. And also it just helps really give me a nice blank slate so that I can see what I want to do very minimally for the wintertime. And then I can start thinking about spring. I hope that this inspired you to take down some Christmas decorations and maybe leave up some winter decor. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It's a free way to support my channel and I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for some more winter decor and a lot of previews for spring. And make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you never miss a video. Thanks again so much for watching and I will see you next time. Take care.